I was born February. I was born February 13th, so I'm an Aquarius. I'm a writer. I write poetry, prose. I write anything because I'm expressive, and that's how I like to express myself. I'll pour it out. What else? What else is there to me? Sorry, my brain is potent.
You have some alcohol to drink in the club?
Yeah, I'm drinking. So let my brain breathe. Alright, yes, thank you for that. I am from my dad is. I'm from Akwa Ibom. My mom is Ghanaian. Anyways, I wanted to say something else. Yeah, I started out education-wise. I graduated from that's high school, Marywood. Further down, uni. I started out at Unilag. I was there for like 2 weeks. I didn't go for any lectures because it wasn't my vibe. I went to a really secluded high school, so getting into Unilag was kind of hard for me to cope with. So I dropped out from there. I didn't tell my parents. My mom doesn't live in Nigeria. I told my parents. My mom came back. She found out. So she put me in a foundation school to go to London. I went to the British Lighthouse for like a foundation program for mass communication. But I did it again. I realized I didn't know what I wanted to do. Yeah, I didn't know what I wanted to do and everything. So, yeah, basically, I've been cruising through life because I had like a whole mental health thing. Yeah, like the reason why I wasn't really into school was because of how hard it was when I was in Marywood. Because our A was like 96. And your F was 61. So yes, that was really hard for me to. And because I live in my gang, because my mom doesn't stay in Nine, she was like, whatever I was doing wasn't really enough for her. So that it was like some form of pressure. So then I started self-harming. Wait, is this supposed to be emotional? Okay. Yeah, so when I was 14, I started self-harming because, I don't know, I guess I was depressed and everything. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Alright, so yeah. So school hasn't really, my kids have graduated now. And I guess that's why I auditioned for Big Brother, because it felt like everybody had figured out what they wanted to do, except me. So during the course of me, this is my first time auditioning, during the course of me auditioning and me getting in and me making progress, it was like I moved from a place where I felt like I wasn't sufficient to now feeling in 2019, I had an episode, so I don't really know if I'm looking for much relationship. But I had a boyfriend, I was my first boyfriend, then he died. So, yeah, there has been a course of events that led me